Are you aware your feet can tell you a lot about your health? By understanding what your feet are telling you, you can take steps to improve your overall well-being. This tutorial will discuss what your feet can tell you about your overall health and well-being. We'll also give you tips on taking better care of them so that they can continue to help you stay healthy. Here are 10 signs that your feet are telling you about your overall health. 1. Cold feet. Cold feet are a sign of dehydration or thyroid dysfunction. Many studies have found that people with dry skin on their feet have more health problems than those without it. Thyroid hormones affect the function of the thyroid gland, a small organ located in the neck. This gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and development. When the body doesn't have enough thyroid hormones, it can lead to dry skin. If you're dehydrated, your body will produce fewer thyroid hormones, and dry skin on your feet can be a sign of low thyroid levels. Other conditions associated with dry skin on the feet are hypothyroidism, diabetes, and adrenal fatigue. You may protect your feet in the meantime, and if your feet are freezing, consult a doctor. 2. Thick and yellow toenails. The situation whereby a person's toenails are thick and yellow is called onychodystrophy. It can occur when your nails wear away faster than you produce new nail cells. Nail fungus is also a risk factor. Some people with onychodystrophy may experience the same symptoms as toenail fungus, including inflammation and, in some cases, actual infection of the nails. In addition, the condition may be associated with a weakened immune system and the use of certain medications. Consult a doctor if you notice thick and yellow nails or suspect toenail fungus. 3. Dry and cracked nails. You can quickly identify the problem if your nails are dry and cracked. Your nails are likely too thin and brittle, which could be caused by a nutritional deficiency. Vitamin B deficiency is also a known cause of brittle nails. B vitamins are essential for the health of all cells, and they play a significant role in cell growth. If your body lacks B vitamins, the nail cells may grow poorly or not at all. A deficiency can also lead to anemia and fatigue, which can cause brittle nails. If you have brittle nails, speak with your doctor about a B-complex vitamin supplement. If you have dry, brittle nails and your nails are breaking easily or falling off in small pieces, you should consult a doctor immediately to rule out any underlying medical problem. 4. Flaky cracked skin. This condition is a sign that your feet are not getting enough moisture. The skin on our feet consists of keratin, which comes from the collagen protein in the skin. Without enough moisture, the keratin in your skin tends to flake and come off. It is prevalent on toes and heels, and can look like dry skin that flakes, or resembles small pieces of paper. You can try a pumice stone or moisturizer to soften the skin. You can also use a foot bath or exfoliate your feet with a pumice stone. You should also increase the amount of water you take daily. 5. Swollen feet. Swollen feet are a common condition that can affect anyone. They occur due to various factors, including poor circulation and infection. It is not uncommon for feet to swell up when there is an infection. In addition, people who have diabetes have an increased risk of developing swollen feet and legs. When people have diabetes, their blood sugar levels are higher than average. This condition can cause the body to retain fluid, and excess fluid in the feet can lead to swelling. If you suspect your feet are swollen, it is best to see a podiatrist as soon as possible. 6. Numbness in both feet. Numbness is a common symptom of diabetes and often results from nerve damage and may also result from poor circulation or infection. The symptoms can be mild and more severe. When numbness occurs, it usually affects both the feet simultaneously and can feel like burning, pins and needles, or a tingling sensation. If you have numbness in both feet simultaneously, you might have diabetes, and it is best to see your doctor. 7. Red or blue toes. When the blood sugar level is high, the tissue in the toes may develop a dark red or blue color. You may notice this color when you press the bottom of your foot against a surface. The color tends to fade away within a few minutes, but if it is severe, it could indicate an infection or diabetes. Red or blue toes may also result from Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's disease occurs when the blood vessels in your hands and feet become narrowed or blocked. It causes the blood to pool in the fingers and toes, causing them to turn red or blue. This condition causes the toes and fingers to become cold and numb and can last for a few seconds or minutes. It generally occurs when you are exposed to extremes of temperature, such as the sun, heat, or cold. People with Raynaud's disease usually cover their hands and feet with gloves and warm clothing when exposed to the cold. They often use a fan to help them cool down after prolonged exposure to the heat or cold. If you have Raynaud's disease, you will know it by the sudden onset of numbness in your fingers and toes. It is best to see a podiatrist as soon as possible. 8. Loss of hair on your feet. Do you know that it is possible to have bald patches on your feet? It is called alopecia areata and can affect the scalp, face, arms, legs and feet. This condition is a form of an autoimmune disorder that causes the immune system to mistake the hair follicles for foreign objects and start attacking them, resulting in hair loss in those areas. Treatment of this condition depends on the type of hair loss you have. If your hair is falling out in patches and other regions, you need to see a dermatologist or podiatrist immediately. If your hair falls out gradually over time, you may be able to deal with it at home using homeopathic treatments or supplements. 9. Stiff or sore joints. If you have stiff or sore joints, you need to see a doctor as soon as possible. Stiff and painful joints are signs of rheumatoid arthritis and other forms of arthritis. If you have this condition, you must visit your doctor for treatment. 10. Toenails with spoon-shaped indentations. The toenails on each foot may begin to have a spoon-shaped indentation when you have chronic iron deficiency or anemia. This condition is not severe or painful, but it can be unpleasant. If you have this condition and are menstruating, you may notice the blood flow during the menstrual cycle is restricted. The blood flow to the nails is reduced, so they take on a spoon-shaped indentation. If you experience this condition, you can reduce the problem by increasing your iron intake or taking a supplement. If you have this condition, it's best to consult your doctor for further advice. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 12 signs your feet are telling you that your liver has problems. Thanks for watching and bye for now.